Hello guys, welcome back to Tech and Unbox with Anas. Today we will solve the new questions that is find the power of numbers in Java. So how to solve these programs? First of all, we have to understand what the question saying that the power of your numbers. As you can see here, we will take the one example, the 2 to the power of 3. So what will be the 2 to the power of 3? What is the calculation of that? 2. So just power of 3 means 3, 2 is there inside of in the 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. The, the power of 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So how to implement this in the our programs? It's very easy. Let's start the programs. So let's take main method. And inside of main method, first of all, we will take the dynamic input. For that, need a scanner. S is equal to new scanner system dot in. Then check this out. Just write enter base. Power is call it as a base in the technical term. So we just write the base. Then int take the variable base is equal to s dot next in. Then this out again. Uh, print enter your numbers. What numbers? So in the technical term, we will say that exponent. Exponent. After this, and then take the variables int exponent 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 is equal to s dot next int. So these two variables we need to implement the our uh, questions. So after this, what you needed, you just need our variables log result. If you remember that previous project, then you know that result is equal to 1. Then for loop, take the for loop, sorry, for loop in I is equal to 1, starting from the 1, and I should less than of exponent, less than is equal to exponent, your numbers. Then I plus plus. After this, what you need to do, just do the result is equal to result into base. So uh, control shift plus O to remove the unknown input. Then come out the for loop sys out. So this is out system dot out dot println base plus I that's the base to the power of plus exponent and plus uh, is plus result. So let me run this program. So here what we are getting, enter the base. Base means your values. So let me take uh, 2 and exponent 5. We will get the 32. So we will get the here is a 32. So sorry, actually the base is your number, like 2 is your number, and the exponent is represent your power. The 3 is there, na, that is the power. So we will getting the our datas, but what is happening in every iterations here? Let me explain that as well. See here, first iterations, I is equal to 1. It will be starting from the 1. I is equal to, as you can see here, I is equal to 1, starting from the 1. So the first iteration I is equal to 1, and result. So as you can see here, result is equal to 1. Inside of result, what we have? 1. The first iteration I into 2. Uh, I into 2, not I, sorry. Result into base. So what we have a result is 1, inside of result 1, and the base is 2. So what we will getting? 2 inside of result. Next second iterations I becomes 2. Inside of result what we have? Uh, Previous one 2 here now. That result inside of result what we have? 2 here. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So currently what we have? 4 inside the result. Now the third iteration I becomes 3. Then result is equal to 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 we have. Then the fourth iterations I is equal to 4. Result is equal to 8 into 2 is equal to 16. It will be going so on until your conditions becomes the false. Run it again and check. Let me check the 5 to the power of 8. What will get? What will be getting? 390625 is the power of 5 to the power of 8. So this is the way of this programming implement. As you can see here, I hope you will understand this video. Thank you for watching Tech and Unbox with Anas.